Amesh, peace and love, African family, peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family, and today is actually our market day, and it's the first time we're actually going with Amesh. This Jam Tours is ready. We're going to the market with Amesh today, family. So we just want to share this vlog with you while we go. You have everything? Alright, so let's go. So Miss Jam told us that she want to drive up to the gate. And we're actually going with Amish today. Let me try and pick him up. Let me pick him up. And let's go. I'll put on my shoes. I'll put on my shoes. Let me pick him up. Yeah, family. Yeah, family. So I'm actually going out with Amish now. Miss Jam told us that she wanted to drive, and we're just packing up. Miss Jam told us she'll come back to close the door, but we are going with Amish today, and I'll be using the carry-on. Yeah, go and close. Amish. That's Miss Jam told us just close the door. So let's go, family, let's go.
I've lost my books.
Yeah, we're going to the market. So it's the first market day with Amish. Yeah, go and turn. Yeah, family, so Miss Jam told us we're gonna turn the car now. Gonna turn the car. So I'm waiting for her under the school shade. Baby Amish. Waiting for her under the school shade. Miss Jam told us turn the car. What's wrong with you, boy? What's wrong with you? You want to climb out of me, huh? Yeah? Yeah, family, so Miss Jam told us turn the car. Yeah. Yeah, what? I said you open the door for me. I'm gonna come in with this boy.
I almost removed my leg from the nania.
Yeah.
From the brake.
Yeah, family, so we actually in the car with Miss Jam told. Miss Jam told us that she wanna drive up to the gate. While we go to the market. Let us go to one for the second one. One Miss Jam tours one. Alright, let me fix you.
Fix you?
Let me fix you.
Yeah, it took me so hard. I also felt it if there was another car, I felt, right?
just depends on
I
somebody
think-
if something coming.
And then
Depends on
I guess it also depends with how quick you steer the whatever.
Yeah.
The wheel.
Yeah, family, so Miss Jam Tours is doing so well. She can actually drive up to the gate by herself now. You don't have to actually coach her no more.
How did I take that one? I felt like I did.
Like you didn't take it well.
I feel I took it well than the down one.
Yeah. You try to take the corner within the line. Don't come out to the line.
Speak to him, Kikuyu.
And you start to understand the scene.
That was what I'm talking. Yeah? Ramesh? That's what I'm talking. I'll give a call. I'm taking maybe to the market. I'm taking it to the market. I don't know what you're taking. You? You know, Mom was speaking to him in Kikuyu all the time.
Yeah. That's the language you start to understand now.
Kikuyu.
Yeah.
Like, understanding.
Yeah. It's just language that you
Okay, I had
first
missed
know.
driving.
Miss driving?
Well, I had missed being on the wheel.
Yeah. Just more confident with it that you want to drive. Yeah, it's the more you feel like.
You know, but there down, I forgot the car has that thing, switch.
Yeah.
That's why you saw me took forever. Oh, that's how you normally look at the side mirror.
Yeah, look and see.
Ah,
What are you looking for?
I even don't know. I
You
was
look
checking of the pavement.
To see, yeah, that's what they use it for. You check.
So, but
How far
when
is
I
it?
remove my eyes from the roadside, I took something.
No, so it's one little glimpse you can have something.
Oh, actually, I'm far away from it.
Yeah. This is the side mirror. It's the other one to check. So that this car pass, you can see that this car is passing. You don't go over on that side. Remember, so we tell you,
Oh yeah, the soldier. That's why I want to reach there. I come out, and then
or you're gonna go, you're gonna come out, you're gonna stay inside here.
no, like see
Park right there. You want to park right here?
here,
Yeah.
and then I go.
Yeah.
So every time I was parking behind,
You can pass
I
here.
can see
Yeah,
them behind.
let's pass. Just back it over there and turn it around. Let's turn it around now. Good job. That's easy. Can I make it round?
Yes.
You know your angle, girl. You know your angle. Miss Jam Tours now catching her angle.
Sit here. This whatever.
Yeah, the entrance.
Okay.
Amesh boy. Amesh. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Mwah, 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 mwah. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Mwah, mwah. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I guess you're turning a professional now. So Miss Jam Tours is back, family.
I look like that woman at the hospital where she was telling the husband, this car will fit. And then the husband is like, it won't fit. Oh yeah, get out, I park. Hey, and did you see how she did it so nice? But to be honest, even you know at that time I had not started my professional studies of driving. I had also seen like it won't enter.
Yeah, but that's the thing, sweetie. Like people, I remember when I drive my uncle for the first time. I'm sitting like this in the car, like waiting for something to happen.
Like.
So it's like the person never do it before. So it's not like say I don't think you can do it, but I just want to see if you can, if you know what you're doing, if you understand that you can go around it.
Yeah.
So it's just that when somebody driving, you know what they're learning. You always like, you know what I mean, doubt them in a way, like, you know what I mean. Don't overtake us with this, you know. You're trying to race with people on the road now.
No, I'm not racing with that.
Miss Jam Tours trying to race with people on the road, family.
Race with me. It's forgetting I'm doing my studies. See?
Where it is?
It's here behind me.
Ford Ranger. I want to stop at the Immerse shop at the corner there. Yeah, family, so we heading to the market with Amish today. And Miss Jam Tours is on our daily routine of learning to drive. So we're at the front now, so let's go. Where you going? You're going right there?
No.
Okay.
I'm stopping here.
Alright.
It's like a baba car.
Yeah, family, so Miss Jam Tours.
Let me go to my back seat.
Yeah.
Thank you. I've told those soldiers.
Yeah, family, so we just reached at the market and we have to use on the carry guy because we have Amish today. I'll be putting on that carry on, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's go. Yeah, family, so Amish is fast asleep. I'll have to put on this while we go and shop. You're gonna string me up, sweetie, right? There he is, coming there.
Sasa. Aya, get us again. Aya. So put here.
Yeah, family. So Amish is tied on to me now. What happened? What are you doing? Is you winding on this one? Sweetie. Yeah, family, so let's go. Sweetie, what are you doing?
I'm going to. Oh, it has already come up. That's it?
Yeah. Use it, it's locked?
Yeah.
Alright, family, let's go.
Into your phone. I'll put it for you here. It's there inside.
Yeah.
Nano? Let's go.
Let's see if we can get
Then
these
this
things.
back
Get these things one place. It's right there. Yeah, we start from here, so right?
That was on the phone last time.
Right here. Eh? Where you start? Oh, alright. Yeah. Get some lime. These lime sweeties, we get some of them. Very fresh. Papaya. Papaya is nice. Wait, this papaya.
Yeah.
Alright. See, those papaya look nice. And the lime too. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah, okay, let's go and get and come back. 6:25. I don't have a lot there. Okay, let me come. Well, let's go and take it and come. Coconut. These Chinese people don't stop bargaining Sweden. Yeah? Yeah, because they want to sell.
78 shillings.
Yeah.
How many pieces?
Yeah, 31 for 8 is big. You can take like 4 or something. Sweetie.
Yes, my friend. Dania means.
Yeah, family, so we stopped to get some jelly water. Jelly coconut water. Let me have 2 to drink. 1 for me, 1 for him, and 1 for him. Yeah, sure. You tell him I want the meat, sweetie. Yeah, when you finish, you're gonna cut the meat for us.
isn't it sweet?
Yeah. Very sweet. You finish? Finish?
Yes, I finished that one. How much? Are you allowed to wash this thing when you go?
Finish. $150. Wow. So we get a deal.
And they are fresh and nice.
Fuck some nine bucks to feel when you eat it. Fuck it $9, right? Sucking.
Just biting it.
Yeah? Yeah? Oh yeah, okay, the rest of it. Yeah man.
Hi. Ah, long time.
Yeah man, long time. Peter,
Want to move Malaya?
we're gonna get the meat family, the meat. Mama, Yeah. What about the other one? Yeah. Wow. Woo. Woo. Oh, those passion look nice.
Yeah.
Passion.
Here to come. Here to come out.
Yeah, make it start. Wow.
Yeah, 400. Oh, we drank after.
We drank 3.
Okay.
That's the main family.
500.
Ahora pone que gane la smoothie vega.
Me queda ahí. No me lo fui.
Como diría que llenamos de no la.
Caja, Phải cần nè. Ay, Amesh. Turn the butter tree.
I'm going for change, sweetie.
No. So it has come to 80. No, since 80.
Yeah. Fresh colorway, yeah.
I thought it'd be like 3 bunch. 2 bunch.
Yeah, we got another bunch, yeah.
3 bunch.
That's 4.
This is 4 bunch or 3? These are 3 bunch.
Add another one. Fresh. Amish. Amish.
It's a 5 bunches would be nice.
Yeah.
Oh, that's 150.
150. Which one? Oh, wow. Yeah. We're going to cucumber.
From that one. Actually, this place people normally call
Them have some right there.
cucumber.
That's cucumber. Perform. We have a pepper, get some cayenne pepper.
Oh, yeah. And take this. Yeah.
And we can mix it with the green one. I tell them to some there. Come How much? How much is it?
How much is it?
50?
Yeah.
Like 50?
Looks like 50 bucks.
Very small. Can So what's up today? Yes. So what's up? Oh, let me see what you have. Huh? Take a jackfruit, sweetie. Jackfruit. Hello. Whoa. Yeah, family. So we actually finished with the market. Amish is wet. Amish piss way up. Amish actually piss way up. So you take out the key.
Yeah, it's Amish.
It's hot. Maybe sweetie, maybe we can park down at that tree down there and that cool shade. Yeah, we'll change it there. Alright, it's a camera. You just turn it on. There's a built-in battery. Yeah. You never It's very small.
Wondering what we are doing.
Start recording.
Yeah, and then you can just flip it back around if you want. It's cool. DJI. You can Google it. DJI.
Like how much?
Maybe like maybe 330k there about.
30k.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, man. Take care. Yeah.
Bye. Oh, my sis, that's why you can see us because you're coming to the market.
Yeah.
You don't carry even clothes. I've carried clothes.
Yeah, fam, it's a mesh baggy. It's so wet.
But it's wet.
Look at it. Your baggy wet. You wet me up, boy. You wet me up. Yeah, family, like, share, and comment on the video. Have to go and show my shirt is wet. Yeah, let's go, family. Let's go. You gonna change him now, sweetie, or what?
I can change it.
Yeah, let's change him then. What you need? Yeah, family. So Miss Jam Tours in the back changing him. You changed him so quick?
Yeah.
Oh, that was quick.
You know how my hands are fast.
So Miss Jam Tours finished changing Amish, family. But I hope you like and share the video. You know, we have to come to the market with Amish today, and we have to just deal with the challenges. And these are some of the challenges. Amish, your baggy change. Your baggy change. Yes, yes. Yes, your baggy change. Yeah? You wet me up. You wet me up, boy. Alright, guys, like, share, and comment on the video. This is the end of this vlog. We hope you enjoy. Any last word, Miss Jam Tours?
Like, share, and subscribe, and comment.
Alright.